Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Villagers protest blocked access, demand urgent action from Rail Vikas Nigam Limited at Velsaon. Locals call for flyover at the congested Bethoda junction amid growing safety concerns. And now for the news in detail. Residents of Velsaon staged a protest against Rail Vikas Nigam Limited or RVNL after their access was blocked due to the ongoing railway double tracking work. While the issue has been ongoing for years now, residents are still firm in their protest against the railway project. Here's more.
Frustrated by restricted movement, Velsaon locals gathered in large numbers demanding the immediate removal of debris blocking their entry routes. The protest turned intense as they confronted RVNL officials, questioning the lack of action despite multiple complaints. Residents expressed their anger, stating that their daily lives had been severely disrupted, yet authorities had failed to respond to their concerns. With their roads closed and homes affected and no steps taken to resolve the issue, residents have threatened to escalate their agitation. Blocked pathways have further created major hardships, especially for the elderly and school-going children. RVNL officials try to assure the residents that their issues would be resolved, but the villagers remained doubtful and insisted on a clear and immediate solution.
The railways must stay off our right of way. Illegally dump on गोयच्या पुलिसान आमचे ते आमका सुरक्षा दिवपाक आत ते पुलिसान तेनी प्रोटेक्शन घेवन ते illegally dump केल्ले. Matter sub judice आहा ISLR is yet to decide आणि 28 तारखेर फेब्रुवारीचे ते 3:30 वरांचे मीटिंग आहा. सो इतले असताना त्यांनी जबरदस्ती करून ही माती डांप केली आणि डांपी केली म्हणून खंय लोकांची घरां मुखार सारकी लोकांची मोटरां भितर भायर सरा येना. Very, very strong message to South Western Railway. Get off our land of the villages. Let the ISLR decide who has this ownership right over this land. ही लँड आमची पूर्वजांक दवरली आणि मुखार आसतली. आमी सगळे गांव भाव भयणो आमी एकठांय रावतले. कितें करपा तें लिगली वयतले. वॉट एवर वी हॅव टू डू वी विल डू इट थ्रू द लिगल मॅटर. तें दाखयता सर्वे प्लॅन दाखयता 1971 where there is no survey records. Fine, we also understand and we also know that where there is no survey number it is deemed to be government land. However, there is a rider to it. कित्याक दुसऱ्याको रिकॉर्ड आसूंक जायना. आमगे सगळ्या कडेन लँड ओनरा कडेन रिकॉर्ड आहा that they own the land up to the railway line.
तेमी आमची वाट ब्लॉक केल्या आणि ती हाईट आल्या की लोकांनी भितर दिवंक वचोंक मेळना. लोकांक भितर वचोंक मेळना. तेजी घरां तेजी गाडी भितर आहाय. इतली हाईट आहा ती गिरगाची वयर चडल्या आणि आमकडे वयर थिंगा चलूंक जायना. आमगे स्टेप ते मारलो ते मोन गायले. सो आमकां रेल्वे चॅक वाचूं करूंक जायना आतां. तेका लागून आमची डिमांड आहे आता. आणि पयलीं ती माती काडूंक जाय. फर्स्ट डिमांड इज रिमूव द mud.
So now we have told them to take off all the obstacles that are there, restricting people from entering the houses, clearing the waterways, clearing the waterways of mud that they have dumped, and also the twigs and the branches that they have put in the way, which is blocking drainage. And we requested them to do all this before the monsoon. That is something that we have requested RVNL to do on an urgent basis.
And my house is landlocked. The railways have done their nuisance by putting the land filling, which is almost half the meter or even more than that. Our car is blocked inside the house. We are not able to come out of our houses. So it is like they are doing it illegally. It is not their right. It is not their land also. It is our land. It is our right of way which they are taking it. And it is like they are not supposed to be doing that.
Till today, RVNL has not handed over any plan to us so that we can discuss it with our people. So now RVNL people have promised us that they are going to give us a plan within 15 to 20 days, and we are hoping once the plan comes to us, whatever best way we can solve the problem.
My house, they have brought up the mud. That is all illegal land filling that they have done, and they have covered it. They have covered my gate, half the gate. So I am not able to enter my gate or exit my my car is inside the property and I'm not able to. That is my right of way. I'm asking them to give me my right of way. That's what. And I've told them to remove all the illegal mud that they have put, to remove it from there so that I can enter and exit my gate.
Hiru Mahale, Gautami Gaunkar and Muzaif Shaikh for Goa 365.
Residents have expressed concern over safety issues caused by congestion at the busy Betauda junction. Locals are demanding the construction of a flyover for a safer commute. Our reporter Krishna Naik has more on this.
आम्ही जे आसा त्या बेतोडे जंक्शनाचेर आसा आनी हे बेतोडे जंक्शन म्हटल्यार एक्सिडंटल झोन जाल्ले आसा कित्याक हांगा भरपूर एक्सिडंट जाल्ले आसा लोकांचो डिमांड आसा की हांगा फ्लायओवर जावचो हो सिग्नल तरी जावचे अशें लोकांचो डिमांड आसा कित्याक हो जो हायवे आसा तो हो उजगांव टू बोरी वयता म्हळ्यार मडगांव वचपाचो आनी ह्या वटेन जो रोड जो आसा हो फोंड्या वयता आनी तो इंडस्ट्री वता म्हळ्यार हे जंक्शन जें आसा हे जंक्शन भरपूर खूब सारकें डेंजरस आसा आनी लोक खंयच्या खंय वतात आजच्या सद्याक जे रोडाचें डिजायन केल्लो आसा तो खूब फेल केल्लो आसा अशें लोकांचें म्हणणें आसा ताका लागून लोकांचें डिमांड आसा की हांगा बेगीचे बेगीन डिपार्टमेंटान हो हायवे हांगा लक्ष घालून बेगीचे बेगीन हांगा हो सर्कल तो सर्कल तरी करचो अशें लोकांचें मागणें आसा.
The Betauda-Bori bypass road has been widened and converted into a 4-lane road. However, due to continuous traffic movement on the Savoy bypass road, residents are facing difficulties at the main junction and feel the need for an underpass or a flyover. Concerned about the risk of accidents, they have demanded the construction of a flyover.
हो एक आसा न्ही हो आमचो एक डेंजरस स्पॉट आसा आनी आमचो पयलीं पासून आतां 20 वर्सां जालो पंचायतीत आसा पंच करून येलो आनी म्हाज्या पयलीं पासून हांगा डिमांड आसा विलेजांचो डिमांड आसा की हांगा एक फ्लायओवर जावचो म्हणून आनी जेन्ना मनोहरभाई 2014 मुख्यमंत्री आसले तेन्ना आमी तेंचे कडेन प्रस्ताव धाडलेलो की ते आजून पर्यंत तेणी कांयच सोल्युशन येवना आतां ऑफकोर्स हो आतां हायवे केल्लो आसा गोवोरमेंटान आनी सिग्नल तेमी सांगता ते आनी ते भितर प्रपोज आसा ऑलरेडी हायवेचे पूण ते प्रत्यक्ष हांगा येवन आज येता फाल्यां येता हें करीत आसा
पूण सिग्नल येयल्यार हांगा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातलो
केन्ना कित्याक हांगा हो मोठो भयंकर इश्यू आसा आनी जेन्ना इंडस्ट्री चेड आसा हांगा तेंकोन आनी ती जेन्ना सुट्टा सकाळीं जेन्ना 5 बी तेन्ना आनी ते सामकें हांगा डेंजरस स्पॉट जाल्लो आसा.
हे जंक्शन केल्ले कडेन ना हे प्रॉपर डिजायन करून जंक्शन करपाक जाय. हांगा आतां खूब ब्रॉड आसा ते खंयचीय गाडी खंयच्या सायडीन डायवर्शन घेता आनी प्रॉपर एका पेडेस्ट्रियन आसा तांकां चलपाक काय फुटपाथ ना तर जाणटी जे बायलो बिलो येता पळय तांकां क्रॉस करपाक खूब मुश्कील जाता तेन्ना हे सरकारान बेगींतले बेगीन म्हणजे सर्कल डिजायन करून प्रॉपरली ट्रॅफिक डायवर्शन करचें अशें मागणी.
हांगा कितें जालां हांगा हे 4 रस्त्याचे जंक्शन आनी मोठ्यांतले मोठे जंक्शन हे ह्या जंक्शनार आमी गेल्या 6-7 वर्सां पयलीं एक ट्रॅफिक सोल्युशन मागलेलें म्हणजे हांगा एक तर फ्लायओवर जावचो म्हणून फ्लायओवराचो हांगा कडल्यान थंय कडल्यान हांगा त्या बरोबर हांगा सिग्नल ही अत्यंत म्हत्वाची आसा आनी हांगा खूब सांजचें ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन जाता सकाळीं 8 ते 9:30 पर्यंत सामकें ट्रॅफिक जाम आसता हांगा आनी सांजचें तशें 5-5:30 नंतर ट्रॅफिक हें भरपूर आसता. आमी सरकारा कडेन मागलें आनी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागलां की हो रस्तो आसा हेका ट्रॅफिक पोलीस डिप्लॉय करचे.
Krishna Naik, Gautami Gaunkar and Sanika Nagvakar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And finally for the weather. Over the next 7 days, temperatures are expected to rise with the mercury likely to touch 37 degrees in some parts of the state. Humidity levels will remain high, touching 80% during the day, while mornings may see shallow to moderate fog. Here's more.
With rising temperatures and dry conditions expected in the coming days, residents are advised to stay hydrated and avoid prolonged sun exposure. Humidity levels too are expected to stay relatively high at about 80%. Mornings, haze and fog will continue to hinder early morning commuters. There are no weather warnings issued for Goa, but fishermen are advised to exercise caution in deep sea areas, especially near the Gulf of Mannar and Comorin region, where squally winds reaching 45-55 km per hour are expected. Dry conditions persist across the state. Mercury expected to touch 37 degrees Celsius in Goa, shallow to moderate fog likely over the next few days, maximum humidity to reach 80%, max and min temperature to 36 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. No weather warnings issued. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa365TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.